What completes a great sink? The right plumbing behind it. Start with the plumbing connector, essential for double bowl sinks. It connects both outlets into one drain line, ensuring smooth flow and no leaks. Then there's the bottle trap, specially designed for kitchen sinks with high water consumption. It blocks odor, traps waste, and keeps your kitchen fresh without fuss. At Nirali NG, we go beyond the sink. Every part is built for durability and seamless performance. Complete your setup with Nirali NG because great plumbing makes all the difference.